Up.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50.
Yeah, boy.
I got married after crossing the border into the United States of America. I met Mary while I was working as a waiter in Jamaica. She had some kind of thoughts against getting married because she think it was all for opportunity. But guys, I felt in love with Mary the first time we got intimate. And I mean, everything just felt right. She understood me. She was very caring. She was very loving and all of that. So she said to me that, hey, I can help you to get straight in the US, but I will not start any form of paperwork for you. So guys, after trying for the visa for about 8 times, no, not 8 or 9 times I tried for the visa, I got turned down. So by now, decided, all right, I'm going to go across the border. Went to Bahamas and came over in Miami. She came and she got me. Unfortunately, while on my way over, I met into some hiccups and some, we're not going to really talk about that. So I started living with Mary. After coming into Miami, only in the second week, we got married. When she got married, her great-grandchildren and her grandchildren, they never knew about it. Her sons never knew about it, and her daughters. So when they found out, they started to talk all sorts of things, say it's for opportunity, say I don't love their grandma and all of that, and why do she need to be dating a younger guy? Barring, guys, remember, she's 79, I'm 21. So it so happened that they called police, they called immigration, and remember, I am undocumented, and it was just rough. So guys, right now, I just couldn't take the pressure no more. And I walked out. Now, I'm currently living in my car. Right now, funds kind of low. Pressure get to my head. And not only that, but they have hidden my passport from me. So, right now, I not even know what to do. Now, as a lawful husband, Mary, it's either 2 things. It's either we're going to work things out, or if you're going to apply for a divorce, then half of what you own belongs to me. Because you can't make me come from Jamaica. I treat me so. Mary, not because you're 79, look at the memories that we have made within the short 2 weeks that we're here. Remember when we did Jamaica, how we're good, Mary. You don't need them to be telling you that, oh, he not go work and he's a young boy and I play much have to play with your emotions. Mary, may I ask you, I know you use TikTok. I don't want the internet to be our solving ground where we solve our marital issues. We're married for better or for worse, in good times and bad times, until death do us part. So Mary, yes, I was the one who asked for a divorce because I felt pressured, like when I get the support from your family. But at the end of the day, I want things to work between us. So may I beg you, I'm willing to not think about the divorce or not to go through the divorce if you're willing to let us fix things. Alright? And also make sure me get my passport and you put in my papers them so me can get straight. Because you don't know, me have my baby mother them there in Jamaica, but I have to take care of the same way.